This is an underground tunnel hidden deep in the woods. This is me. Let's find that tunnel and get me inside it.
We're on the Longleaf Trail. The first stop on our trail is going to be the old water wheel here. It's an old mill. See, it's an enormous water wheel. Tell when we get closer to it. This isn't our main attraction today. The location we're going to is dangerous and off limits, but we're gonna try to sneak into it. But this is pretty amazing itself. This giant wheel, powered by this tiny little creek. It's not running now, but it does still work. Turns that crank right there and powers the mill inside this building. Grind up corn and stuff like that. This is enormous. This is a little pond right outside it that the creek feeds into. Around here, got little steps that lead into the pond, and just a little hint as to what's coming once we get to the top of this mountain. But there's a little overflow drain. It goes under the road. The rock bridge. Creek comes out over there and keeps going through the woods. But that's not where we're going. We're going to the lake on top of the mountain to do some exploring. Catch up with y'all once we get a little closer. Today, I've got a really special location in mind to show y'all. It's going to take me a while to get there, but I think it'll be worth it. We got a long hike up the mountain. I'll show you a little bit of the journey to get there. It's a pretty trail. I'll show you a little bit and then come back to you at the location.
In the heart of a sprawling college campus lies a secret hidden beneath the surface, a mysterious tunnel shrouded in darkness and mystery. Deep in the woods, this forgotten passage runs silently underneath a vast lake, emerging like a forgotten secret amidst the tranquil waters. Despite its enigmatic presence, few are aware of its existence. Official signs warn of the peril within, stark messages of "do not enter," risk of injury or death, etched boldly. Surveillance cameras stand vigil, a silent testament to the forbidden nature of this underworld passage. But today, I embark on an extraordinary journey. Against all warnings, I will delve into the depths of this clandestine tunnel, Join me as we unravel the secrets of this hidden realm, braving the darkness and confronting the unknown. This is not just exploration, it's a daring quest to uncover the truth, to unravel the mysteries that lie beneath the shadows of this forbidden place.
This tunnel goes under the lake. It's already getting so dark you can't see anything. Tunnel's only about 4.5 feet tall. As you can see, this is very steep. As you can see, this is where the tunnel comes up in the middle of the lake. You go up there and you can jump in the water. But we're not supposed to be here, so I'm not going to go up there and let somebody see me. They have signs up saying this is dangerous. It's off limits. We're going to head back a little ways. Get out of the light. This water's dripping everywhere. It's the actual lake water up above us. The lake is above us, and the water's dripping down into the tunnel. I guess say it's dangerous because it could collapse. That's another reason I'm talking really quiet. It echoes really bad in here. Don't want to risk doing any damage. There's always a steady stream of water running through here from all the dripping, but this is an overflow tunnel, so when it rains, this tunnel will completely fill up with water so that the lake doesn't overflow its banks. It's kind of beautiful in here. Steep section of the tunnel. You gotta be careful not to fall down. If you fell and got hurt in here, nobody would find you for a long time. Probably not till it rained really hard and washed your body out. Here we are back at the entrance.